Hey, Cornelius. Oh, well, I guess I know which set of X-Men toys we're opening up next. The next batch of Clarence summoned toys, Marvel Shapeshifters, Wolverine, and Sabretooth. I say, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, and this is Cornerine Wolverinelius. Wolverinelius sounds slightly better, less concerning. And this week we are bringing you Marvel Shapeshifters, Wolverine, and Sabretooth. This was an old line, slightly newer, 1998 and 1999. So they made a couple series of the Shapeshifter lines, and I figured, why not have a versus fight? So I think we're going to start by getting them out, and then we'll try the shape-shifting possibilities. Both of them also have some sort of like weapon launcher too, I'm slightly concerned with. This series, I have to note, the Spider-Man that doesn't turn into a spider but turns into a bat. I'm going to assume there was an earlier series where he turned into a spider. But what's cool is this one, the regular Marvel series had a bunch of different ones. They made the X-Men line that had Wolverine, Juggernaut, and Morph, who turned into a questionable mega missile. So let's unleash the beasts. Ooh! This is a sticker. Directions. Okay, I might not yeet these right away. Just starting off, it's a pretty legit and articulated Wolverine figure with a missile launcher that he can't hold, but I guess will come into play later. You hang out there. You take a nap. Alright, Sabretooth. So Sabretooth doesn't have a launcher, but a weird paper squish missile? Odd. But again, a pretty decent Sabretooth figure. Alright, so I used to be really good with Transformers as a kid, not needing directions. Let's see if I still have that ability. So Wolverine turns into a wolf. Not a Wolverine. But, okay, we'll take it. So, that's, okay. That's his tail. Maybe I shouldn't have chose that first. It looks like we have Wolverine. So the cannon goes on his back because we all know wolves in the wild, as a defense mechanism, have a missile launcher. I think David Attenborough told me that once. Okay, well, safety standards of the 90s, that shoots pretty viciously. So there's our Wolverine, and I did it by myself, no directions. Alright, now, see, I need to stop with the tail first. I'm gonna have to censor this video. Okay, okay. Oh, alright. And, at least this makes sense, Sabretooth turning into a Sabretooth tiger. But where does Missile... What? Oh, there was a secret compartment. Oh god. Let's put that in there. Okay. What in God's name? Okay, hold up. Okay, that's really fun, and possibly not as deadly. I mean, of course it is a hard tip on the outside, but I've gotta say, like, the fact that I was also a kind of a Transformers kid before I got into X-Men, that I didn't own a lot of these as a child, is shocking. But yeah, overall, these were a win, because I've started a collection of weird Toy Biz gimmick X-Men from the 90s. I think it's like the Water Wars, Halloween Episode 1, Monster Force. I think this is going to be an epic battle. We can pretend this is a Wolverine. Thank you so much for watching and checking out our show. And make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. More mutating mutants and mayhem. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye! I don't... design. Okay, good. I mean, I could see why Wolverine was a fan of you. Anyway, that's rib for. Nope. Okay, bye. Here we have Wolverine and Sabretooth. Oh god, no, put that away. And here we have a much more family-friendly Sabretooth and Wolverine shapeshifters. And Wolverine and Sabretooth in their Sabretooth and Wolf form. Would it have been that much harder to make him a Wolverine? I mean, it's in the name.